Okay guys, we hit it again. This time 10 cents, $20 bet. Let's see if we can get some longer lasting gongs. Keep going. Let's get that over 200. Keep going. Keep going. Alright, let's see if we can shoot for 300. Keep going. Good job, keep going. Yes, let's go for 400. Keep going. Alright, $336. Now for the repeat one. So each of our gongs is worth $440. Oh no, I'm not. $520 gong. Alright, so now we're going to get the free games first. This is going to wait. It's going to be up afterwards. So here we go with our free games. Every gong is worth $520. We need a gong. Oh, come on, we need a gong. Gong. Oh, yay! Now, these are not wild, for those of you wondering. This is very similar to the drum, the lightning drums, but it is not a wild token. Look at it go. Need another gong. Come on, gong. There we go. This is an incredible bonus. Getting some good line pays. Come on, gongs. Yay. Every time that gong drops, it's $520. Look at our total down here. Okay, give us a gong. Yay. That puts us over 4,000. We're 4,200. Keep going. Gong, yes. Oh my God, I love this bonus. There's another one. Now we are over 5,000. Let's see. Yesterday on the one that I won $11,800. This part of the bonus, I was at 5,900. Let's see if we can beat that today. Come on. Yes! This is incredible. Oh my God. We've just beat it. This is insane. I'm up to $6,300. This is insane. Come on, gong. Gong. Yay! Yes, this is crazy. I know. Good for you. Thank you. be another gong, another gong, another gong. Come on, one more gong, one more gong. All right, so it's done. So in the first part of the bonus, we won $6,917.50. Now the second part starts. All right, so this blue one will infuse. It just infused both of them. And now we win all. All right, you ready? Here we go. So we're looking for lightning bolts, especially the green ones. I see a blue one flying around there. Come on, lightning bolt. All right, come on, one more of anything. Come on, anything, anything. Yay, there we go. This is so exciting. Oh my God, look at that. So right now we're at $2,780 plus the 69. Come on, blue. Oh my God. We just got a blue one. All right, where's it gonna go? It's infusing that one. Okay, this is great. This is great. A nice green one would work really nice right now. Oh, I see a miner flying around. That's worth 500. All right, we gotta hit something here. Hit, 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 hit. All right, it is done. So all of these are gonna get added. That is $5,348. We just won $12,265.50. Thank you for joining Crystal Slots. I hope you all hit subscribe and like. Talk to you later. Bye.